Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Santander debit card step by step clearly. First, take your new Santander debit card and check that your name and the card number look correct. Next, locate the activation instructions that came with the card, because they may include a specific method for your account. Now, make sure you have your phone nearby, because you may need it for verification codes. If you plan to activate in the app, install the Santander mobile banking app from the official App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in using your online banking details, or tap the option to enroll if you are a new user. When you are logged in, go to the Cards section, which is usually found on the main menu or home screen. Select the debit card that says it is new, pending, or inactive. Tap the option that says Activate Card, Activate Debit Card, or similar wording. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your identity, such as entering a one-time passcode sent by text or email. Create or confirm your card PIN if the app asks you to set one, and choose a PIN you can remember securely. Wait for the confirmation message in the app that says your card is active. If you prefer activating by ATM, go to a Santander ATM with your new card and your PIN mailer if you received one. Insert the card into the ATM and choose your language if that option appears. Enter the PIN provided by Santander, or the PIN you already set if you were instructed to do so. Complete a simple transaction like checking your balance, which often finalizes activation automatically. If the ATM prompts you to change your PIN, enter a new PIN and confirm it carefully. Remove your card and keep the receipt only if you need it. Then dispose of it safely. If your card requires phone activation, find the official activation phone number on the sticker, the letter, or Santander's website. Call the number and follow the automated menu to activate a debit card. When asked, enter the card number and any other requested details such as your date of birth or part of your social security number, if applicable. Confirm the billing address or postcode if the system requests it for security. Listen for the message that confirms the card is activated successfully. After activation, make a small purchase with chip and PIN at a store, because the first chip transaction may be required to fully enable contactless. If contactless does not work right away, try one more chip and PIN purchase and then wait a few minutes. Go back into the app and turn on alerts for transactions so you can monitor activity. Sign the back of your card if there is a signature panel, and store your PIN separately from the card. If activation fails, double-check that the card is linked to your account and that you are using official Santander channels. If it still does not activate, contact Santander customer support and be ready to verify your identity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.